lot of you out there have bumper stickers on your car, and they're great, but the only problem is sometimes your causes change and you could be in a big hurry to get those off. So I've got an easy tip for you today. You need your blow dryer and a dull straight edge. This is a plastic putty knife. What we're going to do is we're going to take the blow dryer, we're going to direct it at our bumper sticker and start to ease it up and then peel it off. Now, let me show you what I mean. And you want to make sure that you keep heating it as you go, because that's what loosens that glue. There you go, job done. Now if your causes change, you got no reason to worry. You can get them off quickly and easily. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.